Welcome to the channel. First and foremost, if you're joining us here today on Christmas Day or later on, our crew here at the channel would like to wish all of you guys out there a Merry Christmas. And this video is just to give you guys a little bit of information and tell you guys what's coming up in the upcoming year, because I am going to drop a video next week on the first New Year's Day, I believe it is. Next Thursday, because I drop on every Thursday. Give you guys a little bit of highlights of this past year and some of the little bit behind the scenes on what goes on the channel and some of the footage that I haven't showed yet this previous year. But if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted when we do videos like this. And feel free to go back and check out some of our previous videos. But like I said, we would like to wish all you guys a Merry Christmas out there. So to give you a little bit of insight on what's going on next year, moving forward from 2025 to 2026, what we got going on is I'm pleased to announce that we are going to be joining Skyjacker Suspensions again and doing some shows with them. And if you watched the videos last year, I was able to secure all you guys a discount code out there. So if you're looking for any suspension components, lift kit, leveling kit, upgrading your shocks on your vehicles, check out skydoctor.com and feel free to use discount code wicked_fabz10 at checkout on their website, and you guys will save an extra 10%. So we were very pleased that we were able to get that discount for you this previous year and being able to move it forward into the next year. So we have 3 good shows lined up to go with them, and we have another big show lined up earlier in our show season. So I'm just not going to break that announcement yet. But if you want, you can follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, where on those sites I do a little bit of informative posting and things like that, and you guys could see where we're going, what we're doing a little bit, and we also share that over here on this platform mainly. And just check out those pages, because some stuff I share over there and I don't share it here, and vice versa, and things like that. So it kind of hits you guys moving around and checking out the different pages that we have there. So what do we have going for 2026? Well, we got a few things that we're going to be doing to the second gen to be able to take that out to shows and clean that up a little bit more, because there is a few things on there, that upgrades that I want to do on that, just to make it better, because there were some things that I've been neglecting on that, which I've been putting off the last 2 years, I believe it was, to get done. So I'm hoping that we could get into doing that this year. And then we have the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X 4xe. We got some mods to do on that, and we also have a couple mods to do on the 5th gen, which I'm probably going to be starting that first before we get into doing the other vehicles. So I'm excited about the upgrades that we have going on the 5th gen Cummings. So that's going to be cool, because you can't have a boring tow rig. And we picked that truck up for the channel to be able to tow our 2nd gen around. And, well, here at the shop, we just can't leave things alone. And one thing goes to the next, and it's just can't have a boring tow rig, I guess. So, and then plus we got a lot of stuff going out to powder coat. So I'm in the process of gathering some of the stuff up for powder coat, get that out to powder coating, and then getting these mods done and complete. We also have some shop tool reviews, stuff that might help you guys out in your shop, or if you think about we have some, I believe it's a couple tool reviews to do and things like that. And then plus we have a lot of renovations going on out here at the shop that I might show you and I might not. I'm not too sure on that, but we got some upgrades going on out here at the shop, which is just to make it a little bit user-friendly for us, and to spruce it up a little bit and to upgrade a lot of things around here for us to make it easier for us to bring content out to you guys. And working on trying to get a couple more shows hashed out to where we can some of the bigger shows that we're going to. So we have to see if we could fit them into our schedule or not, because these are shows that I haven't hit or showed on the channel yet, which I'm hoping that we could get out to these shows, because they are the bigger shows and things like that. Plus, we're going to do a couple charity shows, so check out the charity shows that we do. And one of the bigger things I'm actually excited about announcing is that we teamed up with a Instagram site page, and they are going to start handling our merch. So we're going to get more into the merch stuff, and I'm going to be pushing them, which, you know what, I'll just tell you. So one of our crew members broke off from me, and we thought it would be a good idea, which she's still attached to the channel. And I know you guys seen her in some of my past videos, and you'll see her in a lot of the videos photobombing us, or video bombing me when I'm at a show or something like that. She's with us, and she's photo behind me making faces or whatnot. But we sat down, we had a little talk, and she's going to break off and run more of our merch side, which she started to doing crocheting items and things like that. So check out Wicked Stitches on Instagram, and I'll share her link in the description below, which I've been sharing them in the last couple of videos. I don't know if anybody's caught on yet, but she's starting to get her page up and running. And what we're doing is we're doing dashboard pets, backseat drivers, so novelty items like that you could display in your vehicle. And plus, she's going to be doing the t-shirts, the stickers, the keychains. There's a couple different items, so which after the first of the year, I will be announcing that. So definitely look forward to that coming out. And I'm very pleased that we finally got our merch site a little bit more organized, because we weren't really organized. I'd have some shirts for sale and stuff like that, but it just never really pushed it. But now that we have somebody that's willing to take over the tent, run the tent, so when we go to events and we could put up a tent and sell some of our merch, or check out some of the items that we have there, which are pretty neat. We try to target everybody, which we are going to be doing special orders either on the t-shirts, some of the stickers, and some of the dashboard pets and backseat drivers. So if there's something that you'd want for your vehicle and you don't see it here, she'll take an order, and she'll work everything out with you guys and mail it out to you. If you want, you could order stuff that she has, or contact her and through Instagram, and this way she could hash out everything with you guys and get that stuff out to you. So I'm pleased that we're getting our merch side of things a little bit more organized for 2026. I don't know how organized it's going to be, but it's going to be a little bit more organized. So I'm happy about that. And the other big change we got going on is that I'm going to be doing more content with you guys and trying to get you guys out there more to show you some more of the truck side of shows, the 4x4 events, the mud bogs, the show truck fields, and the different events like that. And that's why we're trying to slot, I believe it was, we already sat down and talked once. I think it was like 3 or 4 more bigger shows for you guys to see that I haven't been to, or anything like that I've been wanting to go to, but because of other obligations and restraints, we just haven't been able to meet that. So, but now that we're freeing up a little bit more time, and we might be able to pick up more events. Just got to see how things are going here around the shop here, and seeing how we're making out with the mods and things like that. So, like I said, once again, you know, we'd like to wish you guys a Merry Christmas out there. I'm hoping you're enjoying your day with your family, your friends, and things like that. Well, that's pretty much all I got right now to give you guys as a little update. I will catch you guys next week to maybe give you a little bit more insight on what's going on. And you don't want to miss the highlight video and the little bit behind the scenes. But like I said, this is to to sit down with you guys on Christmas Day. Wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. Check out all the links in the description below because we're going to have a lot of changes going on this year, which I'm excited to get into doing that more with yous and touching base with you guys more and things like that. Well, hope you guys have a good day. Till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.